Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you love the game of golf, but you can't play all year round due to the season change, you're gonna love what's behind me. This is a golf net from Bltend, and we've been practicing our golf swing in the middle of winter here in our basement. It's huge, check it out. So this is massive, 10 feet wide by 7 feet tall. So lots of room to err, which I appreciate. I'm an amateur. My husband, on the other hand, he does much better at hitting the target. You can absolutely use this golf net outside as well. It just so happens that it's winter here. However, we do fully intend to use it outdoors. They provide you with stakes to secure it in the ground. You have every accessory you could need. One thing I appreciate is the golf balls that it comes with are foam. So that means we can freely swing it indoors and I don't have to worry about the golf ball damaging anything in the house. The golf mat it comes with has 3 different lengths of grass, which is really nice because it enables you to practice in several different terrain scenarios while you're teeing off. This comes with a bag so you can tear down the net and store all the accessories in a nice little compact compartment. So if you're a golf enthusiast, you are no doubt gonna love this. Honestly, it's been fun for the entire family. My husband is the golfer, but my kids have been enjoying it. I like being able to come down in the own comfort of my home and practice my swing without making a fool of myself in front of a bunch of people. So if you love golf, you need to put this one on your list. And that's my point of view.